In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play 7 Days to Die in your PC. So 7 Days to Die is a survival horror video game set in an open world developed by Pimps. It was released through early access for operating system X and Windows in 2013. So in order to download this game, first of all, you want to open any browser in your system and then just type in here for Steam. Once you search for Steam, you're going to go with the first link, which will be Welcome to Steam. After that, you will be able to see here the interface of Steam website. If you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here this search box. So you're going to type in here into this search box for 7 Days to Die and then hit enter. After that, you will be able to see here your game 7 Days to Die at the top of this list. So you're going to click on that. And once you're here, you're just going to scroll down until you find this option, Add to Cart. As you can see here, you got different versions. The first one is the simple version of 7 Days to Die, and the second one is Day 2 Pack. So you can just purchase any of these versions from here. In order to do so, you're just going to click on Add to Cart next to that version. And after that, just click on View My Cart. Just click on Continue to Payment. After that, you will be able to select from any of these payment methods from here how you want to pay for this game. I'm going to go with MasterCard right now, so just select that. Enter all of your information over here, scroll down and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, the game will be purchased and added to your library. And from there, you can just play this game.